How to create a flying flag animation effect in DaVinci Resolve 19.1.4. Inside your project's edit window, holding Ctrl or Command if you're a Mac user and press I to insert a media file into your project, including videos and still images. Find the thumbnail of your inserted media file inside your media pool master bin, click and drag to your timeline to insert the media clip. Now select Effects. Underneath Toolbox, select Effects. Scroll down the Fusion effects to find Flying Flag. Click and drag this to your media clip edit. With the media clip selected, go to Inspector and underneath Effects and Fusion, find the Flying Flag properties. Increasing the wind strength will make the flag ripple more rapidly. Increasing the bump scale will enhance the distorted effect of your chosen media clip. Adjusting flag twist offset will manipulate the horizontal positioning of your flag, although this does not apply a twisting animation effect to your flag. In order to apply horizontal twisting effects, adjust the value for twist strength. The higher this value, the more abrupt the turning effect will be applied to either the top or the bottom of your flag. Adjusting the value for flag blend will apply a three-dimensional effect to your flag, where one side can appear further away or closer to the viewer. Adjust Rotate X to flip the flag around horizontally. The rear side of your flag will be a mirror copy of your original file. Adjust Rotate Y to change the left or right positioning of the flag. Increasing the value for Rotate Z will turn the flag anti-clockwise. To adjust the size of your flag, adjust the scale value. Adjusting Flip will invert the flag effect and not your original file. So here in this example, with Flip deselected, the end of the flag which catches more of the wind strength is on the left side. When Flip is highlighted, this is then moved to the opposite side on the right. The surrounding of the video clip with the applied flying flag effect contains alpha value, and so other video clips or stills can be shown through this. Should you wish to apply the flying flag effect to one of the generator filters, such as the 4-color gradient edit here for example, you must first convert this to a compound clip by right-clicking on this edit and selecting New Compound Clip. Click Create. And now when I return to the Effects menu and click and drag the flying flag effect to this compound clip, the flag animation effect is successfully applied. To reset your flying flag properties at any time, select the rotated arrow icon in the top right corner of the Inspector Properties for Flying Flag. And to remove the flying flag effect completely, select the Delete Filter bin icon. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.